Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing a fruity twist on the classic Millionaire's shortbread. Let's get started. For the shortbread base, add 180 grams all-purpose flour, 60 grams icing sugar, 40 grams cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 150 grams cold butter into a large mixing bowl. Rub the butter into the dry ingredients until the mixture resembles fine breadcrumbs. Transfer the crumbs into an 18 by 18 centimeter square pan. Spread the mixture evenly across the pan. Gently press it down to secure the crumbs in place and create an even layer. Bake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. Once baked, remove it from the oven and allow it to cool completely. Now let's prepare the strawberry filling. In a small bowl, combine 15 grams lemon juice, 15 grams water, and 30 grams cornstarch. Mix until the cornstarch is completely dissolved and no lumps remain. Add the liquid mixture to 300 grams sifted strawberry jam and mix until smooth. Cook the mixture over medium heat while stirring constantly. Once the mixture starts bubbling, remove it from the heat immediately. Spread the hot strawberry filling evenly over the cooled shortbread base. Place it in the refrigerator for 30 to 60 minutes or until the layer becomes firm. For the topping, combine 150 grams melted white chocolate with 30 grams sunflower oil. Stir until smooth and glossy. Pour the white chocolate mixture over the chilled strawberry layer. Spread it evenly to cover the entire surface. Return it to the refrigerator for about 1 hour or until fully set. Once firm, slice it using a warm knife for clean cuts. And that's it. Your fruity version of Millionaire's shortbread is ready to enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Happy baking!